Hope you are doing great. So currently I'm in a cartoon this morning. This space I'm currently standing is about to be transformed into a catfish farm. So the owner of this space actually called me in for consultation. For those of you out there that don't know that we do consultation, we also do that. We consult, but it's a paid consultation anyway. So I'm here this morning to chip in one or two advice to tell the owner of this place one or two things to put in place before the farm will actually kickstart properly. So I don't know if the owner of this place will actually give us this project to execute, but notwithstanding, we are here this morning to just consult this morning. So in case you're out there, you're about to start this business and you don't know how to go about it, you can easily send me a message or give me a call. So that'll be that for today. If you like what to see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, kindly follow all our social media pages. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.